Let's talk about Circulon Bakeware Steel 22 cm non-stick square cake tin gray. Lab tests prove the TOTAL Nonstick System outlasts all other bakeware nonsticks guaranteed. Baked foods release with ease, is easy to clean and provides perfect, even baking performance. Oven safe to 500 F260C or gas Mark 9. Lifetime customer satisfaction guaranteed. Measures 23 cm by 23 cm by 4 cm. Lab tests prove the TOTAL Nonstick System outlasts all other bakeware nonsticks guaranteed. Baked foods release with ease, is easy to clean and provides perfect, even baking performance. Oven safe to 500 F260C or gas Mark 9. Lifetime customer satisfaction guaranteed. Measures 23 cm by 23 cm by 4 cm. Cleaning is a problem because the ridges on both the base and the sides where they join are rolled over and leave a small gap. The gap allows the hollow inside the which fills with cake mix. This is very difficult to clean. Also, the nonstick is not as good as expected. Otherwise, it is a sturdy tin. After frustrations with trying to get bread out those silver-colored tins, I ended up lining each time with baking parchment. The first time I used the circular loaf tin, I forgot to wipe it with oil. Baked the bread and turned it over, it just fell out without no skating or loosening with a knife. Have now used many times with all sorts of loaves, including sticky ciabatta with the same success. As nothing sticks, it just wipes clean with soapy water, which is useful as it is not dishwasher safe.